It is currently 1:52 and it is Thursday after school. I didn't have a 7th period today. It's usually my gym, but I only have that a couple times a cycle, so I thought I would vlog because I just have had this list of things that I wanted to do, but I was like kind of waiting to vlog it. So yeah, I thought today would be a good day. I got done all my homework except for this math quiz. It was supposed to be yesterday at Wednesday on our kind of like our free day. We don't have any Zoom classes, but we still have like assignments. But he moved it to today, but it's due at midnight. I got most of it done during the period, but yeah, that's all I have to do today. I just made my coffee, as you guys saw. I love this frother so much with the creamer I showed you guys. It literally tastes like marshmallow on top, and I use all different pods. I forget the one I used today, but I love that Keurig. My brother got it for Christmas, but it's kind of like a family gift because he just keeps it in the kitchen, and it's so cool that like it has all different flavors. Because I used to use our Nespresso, which is the red coffee maker right next to it. It's really like all tastes the same, which is like good, but it gets a little boring since you can't have different flavors. Oh, I also got some yogurt. This is also another really good snack. I was showing you guys my chickpea snacks in the last video, but I really like this too. This one is strawberry, and look, it says surround yourself with goodness on the top. But today I wanted to show you guys me setting up my iPad and also how to set up like Apple Calendar on here. And I also need to go get my car estimate because I recently hit the car in the driveway, like on this rock. So I actually went the other day. The guy was just like getting straight to fixing it, but then he just said to come back and then he'll like give me an estimate. So we'll see how that goes. I called earlier and they said I could come around 4. I have a meeting with Table Rock, which is who I'm signed with, at 3:30. That's actually the sweatshirt I'm wearing. They sent me the cutest little package. It came with these stickers, which I have a couple on my door. I'm gonna put the other designs on my door too. So love those. And also this mug, which I'm so excited to put water or coffee in. And it says Table Rock with all these cute little like nature things, as like some flowers, some trees, some leaves. I think that's what it is, but it's super cute. And then we have some pens, which makes you feel very professional. These feel like so nice. Some masks. I love their masks. They sent me another package with some a while ago, and I've been using them a ton. This is the company. It's called Maskers Only. So I'll definitely have the link down below, and they just have a ton of super cool masks. So thank you so much, Table Rock. I love it. I already know I'm gonna be wearing this sweatshirt so much. Just gonna put that on my bed. And then my mom actually just came in, and both my parents went to the mall to go get something for my brother because he's having like a little virtual graduation at 6 today, and they wanted to like get him a gift for that. But I went to Ulta the other day with my mom, and I was looking for this makeup remover balm because I usually just use face wash to remove my makeup. I don't really like that. I wanted to find like a good remover of makeup, I guess. And I found this random sample of this pharmacy balm. Here, I don't know why I'm talking so much. Yay, this is it. So this green, clean pharmacy makeup remover balm, but it just left my face feeling so, ooh, and it has a little moisturizer sample. My skin just felt so like silicone-y and smooth and just really nice. I'm very excited to use this. Oh yeah, I asked for this thick hair shampoo because I just ran out of my shampoo this morning, and I heard this brand was really good. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I've been seeing it a lot of places, so we'll see how this works. But I ran out of my color corrector. I asked for this Lancome green one, Ultra Wear, so hopefully it will have good coverage and last long. All right, that's my mini Sephora haul. Next, I got the cutest jewelry from Giovanna's Crafts. My dad's friend, his daughter goes to college, and this is her roommate, and she has a super cute jewelry company. So she sent me some stuff to feature in a video. First is this gold necklace, and it has these little yellow flowers in it, and it's super good quality. You can see on the website like what everything is made out of. Then I got these earrings, which are pearls, and I actually have a pair like this, but they're silver and they're a little bit old, so I'm so excited that I have these new ones. And lastly is this G keychain. This one is just G for my last name, and I love the flowers and like how it's clear and you can just see like the flowers in there. I think it's super pretty. And this keychain was customizable. Like I could pick if I wanted like gold in there or purple or pink, so you can make it however you want. I will have her account and website linked down below, so definitely go check her out. If you want some cute dainty jewelry, she has a lot of selections on there. And lastly, I got this package from Victoria's Secret. It has like my address on the front, but they're having their semi-annual sale, and in my Christmas haul, hold on, let me just open this. I got some pajamas, and this is what they look like. I feel like they're just very summery and cute. I picked out these shorts that were like $13, I think. They were just these cute like pink silk shorts. They're like longer than I thought. You can like roll them up, but I thought it would be good for like another bottom to this because the pinks kind of match. So I thought this would be good to maybe go with that, or just as any other kind of sleep short. And then they also have this little box in here. They wrapped this real well, and I just got this set. Oh no, she took a tumble, but it's this Victoria's Secret Bombshell mist and lotion, and I thought it was a mini size. It's a little bit bigger than I thought, which is good, but I feel like I never get little sets for myself, so I was excited, and I needed like $10 more or something. to get the free shipping. But let's smell it. I was kind of nervous because I haven't smelt it before, but it sounds like it'll smell good. And I feel like a lot of people like the Bombshell scent. This lotion is not coming out. Oh my gosh. All right, we got it. Ooh, that smells really good. It smells nice and fresh. Yeah, wait, that smells really nice. And I heard that like lotion just kind of works better as like a natural scent other than perfume. So I thought this would be good to try out. Then this is the matching mist. I don't have any perfume on now, so let's try it. I really like this. So I actually need to get a case, and I got an Amazon gift card for my birthday, so maybe we can use that to get a case today too. Because I feel so scared like using it without one. But yeah, this is it. It's the 11, and I think it's 11 inch. Oh, wait. I think it's 11 inch iPad Pro. I don't know if there's an iPad 11. The camera looks so cool too with like the 3 lenses. Okay, I think this is literally dead. That's okay, we haven't charged it yet. Little Apple Pencil came in this kind of package, and this is what it looks like. And I had no idea how to connect it because I was looking up how to. And I think the original iPad Pencil like had a little thing you could unscrew. But this one I was like, what do? You just put it on the side. Oh wait, maybe it's the wrong side. Just put it on the side and it's magnetic. Can you see that? And it charges that way, but it can't charge when this is dead. So I'm gonna take this off. Okay, why am I a mess? But this is the charger it came with, and this is the front of the case. So cool. I guess not the case, like the box. Okay, Sophie is really going off right now. Plug it in. I think both ends are the same. And then you plug it in, and we're gonna go put it in the outlet, and I'm gonna wait till it's charged a little bit, and then we'll be back to kind of test it out and play with it. Let's see what we're at. We're at 19%. I think that will do. So what it looks like when you open it. I haven't added many apps except for this little folder for editing. I just want to make like this entire thing just like for my new way to edit. I put to like not download anything from iCloud, and it just like downloaded all my photos and like all my family stuff, so that's unfortunate. Maybe there's a way I can like undo that, just because I don't want like storage problems or anything. But yeah, I downloaded PixArt, Fonto, and Paintwork because I was just watching this girl's video on how to edit. I don't know too much about it yet, but I really like Paintwork. This little middle button has the colors. I have like this light green color on it, but you can choose any color. It has a ton. You can choose like the brush you want, and then you can go down here and maybe get like a different shade of blue around it. I don't know if you can see that. I made it like a more similar shade of blue. PNG down here and put it right here. So I think that's really cool. Laura's FaceTiming me. Let's answer on the iPad. Hey Laura.
Ready.
So yeah, that's what I'm doing so far. I kind of want to set up the reminders. I'm not really on here as much. I feel like maybe on my phone would be better, but I just like how it's bigger, and if it just sends like a notification whether I'm on it or not, that'll be a good reminder, you know? So let's do today, and we can do add reminder. Okay, it took me to settings and there's just like nothing on the screen. Okay, anyway, I wanted to just go in the Apple Calendar anyway, so let's try and do that on here. I'll learn how to set that up later. But this is the calendar, and I already have some notifications on it because I think it's like my parents will like share things with us, like dentist appointment or something. But you can go in the month. Oh, I forgot I had an orthodontist appointment. See, that's there. So we're gonna hit today. Like I'll do like, oh, 3:30, new event. And it ends at 4, and then add. So then I think I can like stretch. Okay, I guess it just stretched it out for me. But let's say maybe I want to work out in the morning. I can do like, oh, 7 a.m. workout. Start at 7:15 is when like I'll probably get to the gym. And then I want to end maybe like 8 o'clock. So we can say add. So look, then it just kind of time blocks for you. I'm gonna put school and homework because I like to get it done like between classes. So we can do start. Obviously some like takes longer, but it starts at 8:33 and then it ends at 1:25. We can do add. It just makes like a really big thing. So we can do filming. Probably gonna end after our car appointment, which is like 4:45. Oh, I spelled meeting wrong. I just realized that. Okay, anyway. All right, guys, it is currently 3:25. I just posted an Instagram photo, but I'm about to do the meeting, and I don't really know how to vlog that, so I think I'm just going to see you guys after. I am on my way to go get the car estimate, and it's only a 10-minute drive, so shouldn't take too long, and I will see you guys when I am there because I don't have a car tripod, and also I don't really like vlogging and driving because, I don't know, I just feel like distracted. But honestly, maybe when I can get a car tripod and it's not like me fiddling with the camera while driving, driving, you know? So yeah, I'm hoping this vlog isn't boring. Like, I don't know why I feel like it's boring, but hopefully not. Because I really do like watching vlogs, but then when I'm making them, I feel like, does anyone want to watch me like sit in my room and do random stuff? Honestly, that's what I'm doing most of the time, so I don't know. Let me know down below. I just got done at the auto body shop, and there's this guy, Scott, that works here. He's this older man, and he worked on my car last time. Like I said earlier, like I had to come back. I came with Connor the first time, and he was so nice to us and sweet. We just sat in here, and I don't know, he was like clipping at just like something on like my bumper. Like it was just a little bit down. It wasn't anything major. But like I said, I just like have no idea about cars or how much it would cost. So he just like put one clip up to kind of like push it up. So I came back, and he was just working on it, and I was like, oh, like what's the estimate? Like, because he was like, you're all done, and he's like, you don't owe me anything. So sweet. Seriously, I love people like that. But I told him, I didn't know what to say. I was like, well, you guys should have my number. Like seriously, like call if I owe you anything. All right, I just got home, and my camera died as I was talking about like the auto body shop. But like I was saying, Scott is so nice, and that was really great that I didn't have to pay anything. But yeah, I'm just gonna work on my math test, and like I was saying earlier too, my brother's graduation is at 6, so that's the plans for the night. But this is gonna be the end of the video. I love you all, and I hope you have a great day and week.